In this video, I will show how to find the point of a line after the line has been divided into a ratio. Now we have here the coordinates of A are 2, 5 and the coordinates of B are 7, 20. Find the coordinates of the point X which lies on the line AB such that AX to XB is 2 to 3. Now the first thing you should do is always draw a diagram for this. That helps you so much. Okay, so we should do that every single time. So this is Y and X. So A is the point 2, 5. Let's put that here and say that's 2, 5. And B is the point 7, 20. I'll put that there. 7 and 20. Okay, and the line AB, let's just draw that. Goes through like that. Now this has been divided into the ratio 2 to 3. So I've got 2/5 of the line is AX and 3/5 of the line is XB. So I'll just roughly plot that somewhere. So let's say it's about there. Now what I should do is I should find the difference in the X. So I should find this length here and I should also find this length here. So let's do that. So the distance in X from this point to the other point is from 2 to 7, so that must be, this must be 5. Now the difference in Y, so if I go up this way like that, I have from 5 to 20, so this length here must be 15. Now what I know is 2/5, if I go 2/5 of the way here, I will get my X coordinate in X. And if I go 2/5 of the way here, I will get my Y coordinate in this point X here. Let me just label that. So that's the point X. Okay, so to find the X coordinate here, I need to take the X coordinate here and add 2/5 of this. And to find the Y coordinate here, I need to take the Y coordinate here and add 2/5 of this. So let's do that. So I have so the point X has X coordinate so it will be this number here, so this 2 plus 2/5 of this 5, so it will be 2 plus 2/5 of 5, so that will be 2 plus 2/5 of 5 is just 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and the point X has Y coordinate, so Y coordinate would be this number here, so it will be 5, and I can see I go up this way, so 5 add 2/5 of 15, so 5 will be 5 add 2/5 of 15. Now 2/5 of 15 is going to be 2/5 of 15 is going to be, so 15 divided by 5 is 3, times by 2 is 6, so this is going to be 6. 5 add 6 is going to be 11, so it's going to be 11. So the point X has coordinates for 11. Okay, so this point has coordinates for 11. Now you should always draw a diagram, because when the line goes this way, we need to be careful how we work out this length and that length and all of these lengths here, and then how we're going to add or are we going to take away. These are the things that we need to think about. So if you draw a diagram, that makes that a lot easier. Now here's a question for you to try. I would like you to try this first, so pause the video now and have a go at this, and then we'll go through it together. Okay, so in this question we want to do it in that same way we did the other one. So we want to draw the diagram first. So we have X lies on the line AB, where A is 4, 11 and B is 10, 2, and AX to XB is 2 to 1. What are the coordinates of X? So again, I'm going to start by drawing a diagram. So I'm going to have my Y-axis here, and my x-axis. Okay, so the point A is 411, so let's say about there somewhere. And I can see already that this is going to be lower, so because the y value here is 2, the y value here is 11. It's going to be lower, but it's going to be further on the right here. So the point B would be about there, point A would be about there. So let's mark that there, that's 411. And we'll mark point B, that's going to be 10, 2. And now again, what I will do is I will draw a line there and see what these lengths are. So let's do that. Let me draw the line AB first. So that's AB. Now let's see what the difference in the y values is. So that's that way. And that's going to be, okay, so the y value here is 11 and it goes down to 2. So that must be 9. And the x values from 4 all the way up to 10. So 4 to 10, so from 4 here to 10 there, that's 6. Now notice that I didn't put minus 9 here because I'm just focusing on the length here. So that's why I put 9. Okay, so the point x is going to be such that ax to xb is 2 to 1. So that must mean that I need 2/3 of the line here and then 1/3 of the line there. So I'll mark the point x, it's going to be about there. And this is the point x. Now, so the coordinates of the x coordinate of x will be 4, and I can see that, sorry, the x coordinate of the point x is going to be 4, and I can see that it's going forward towards 10. So I'm going to do 4 add 2/3 of this length here. So 4, which is there, that's going to be 4, add 2/3 of 6. So x coordinate is 4 add 2/3 of 6. Now 2/3 of 6, so 6 divided by 3 is 2, times 2 is 4. So that's going to be 4 add 4, which is equal to, so 4 add 4, which is equal to 8. Now the y coordinate, let's see how we're going to find this one. Okay, so the y coordinate here is 11, and I'm going down towards 2. So it's going to be 11 take away 2/3 of this length here. So it's going to be 11 take away 2/3 of 9. Now 2/3 of 9, so it's going to be 9 divided by 3, which is 3, times 2 is 6. So 11 take away 6 is going to be 5. So this is going to be 5. So now I know the point x has coordinates 8, 5. So let's mark that here, 8, 5. So notice how from 4 to 10, 8 is somewhere in between. From 11 to 2, 5 is somewhere in between. And remember that we're doing the takeaway here, and we're not writing it here. Okay, we want to write the length here, but we want to think, are we going forwards this way? So forwards in x we were going, and we went down in y. That's why we minused here. So here are some questions for you to try. So do these questions and bring your answers to the lesson.